From my perspective, a design should hit here and not here. That's when you realize that you are engaged or in love with the product. When you have this emotion towards it and not just, I need a light or I need another thing in my house. My partnership with CTO is mainly about shared values and creative vision. Beside the clean lines or the raw materials that we are using or the basic materials, we try also to keep a timeless design which could fit today and tomorrow to different spaces. And that's what guides us in order to achieve this kind of design. The thing that I like the most about the Pendulum is the surprise that we got with the glow, which keeps on changing and creating something completely unexpected. I am extremely excited about launching the Pendulum. The pieces are great, the effect is great, the glass effects are great, and to add this layer of design to CTO's collection, I couldn't be happier.